everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see the title and thumbnail, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a heart in very easy way. So without any waste of time, let's start. To make a heart, here I am using 4mm hook. I am using 3-ply acrylic yarn in pink color. To make a heart, सबसे पहले हम बनाएंगे मैजिक रिंग। मैजिक रिंग बनाने के लिए शॉर्ट टेल के ऊपर हम अपना वर्किंग यार्न रखेंगे इस तरीके से। ये देखिए, शॉर्ट टेल नीचे की तरफ रहेगी और वर्किंग थ्रेड ऊपर की तरफ। हुक को फ्रंट साइड से इंसर्ट करके 4 चेन्स बनाएंगे। 1 2 3 and 4. Now we need to make 3 treble crochet in our magic ring. यार्न को 2 दफ़ा हुक पर लेंगे, 1 2. Then insert your hook in magic ring. Take a yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. Then again yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. And then yarn over and pull through from last 2 loops. Our first treble crochet is ready. Now we need to make 2 more treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, pull up a yarn, then yarn over, pull through from 2 loops, then again 2 loops, and then again pull through from 2 loops. The second treble crochet is ready. Just like this, make your third treble crochet. Now we need to make 3 double crochet in magic circle. Yarn over 1 time, insert your hook, take a yarn, then yarn over and pull through from 2 loops, then again yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. First double crochet is ready. Just like this, complete remaining 2 double crochet. Our 3 double crochet is ready. Now we need to make chain 1. After making chain 1, we need to make 1 treble crochet in magic circle. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook in magic circle, take a yarn over, pull through from 2 loops, again from 2 loops, and then pull through from last 2 loops. After making 1 treble crochet, we need to repeat the same pattern right here. First we have to make 3 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn, pull through from 2 loops, then again pull through from 2 loops. Just like this, complete remaining 2 double crochet. After completing 3 double crochet, we need to make 3 treble crochet in magic circle. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, pull up a yarn, then yarn over and pull through from 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through from 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through from last 2 loops. Just like this, complete remaining 2 treble crochet. After completing 3 treble crochet, we need to make chain 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Now we need to make a slip stitch in magic circle. Insert your hook, take a yarn, and then pull through from the loop on your hook. Now cut off the yarn. After making a heart, we need to close a magic ring by pulling this short loop. Now we need to tie these 2 loops. Our heart is ready. We need to hide these 2 loops. Insert your hook anywhere on back. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video and found it helpful. Allah Hafiz.